everyone, I want to share a recipe with you today. I am making shrimp scampi with thin spaghetti noodles. And let's go ahead and get started with the ingredients. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Shrimp, white wine, parsley flakes, minced garlic, minced onion, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and your choice of pasta noodles. The recipe calls for linguine, but I like to use either thin spaghetti or angel hair spaghetti. First, you want to start by preparing your shrimp. Peel and devein them. Next, you want to saute your onion, garlic, and red pepper flakes until it's soft and the onion is transparent. Once the onion is transparent, you want to go ahead and add your shrimp and cook until it's firm. Basically, just cook it for about 5 minutes. And since I'm working with 2 different shrimp here, this is completely uncooked and this is cooked shrimp. I'm going to cook the uncooked shrimp first and then add the rest of my shrimp at the end since that's already cooked. Once your shrimp is cooked, you want to separate your shrimp, add your wine to the remaining sauce, and let that simmer. Add your parsley flakes. Go ahead and let this simmer until your pasta is done cooking. Once your noodles are done cooking, go ahead and drain them and place them back into the pot. You want to go ahead and toss your noodles with your sauce that's been simmering. Once you toss your noodles with that sauce, you can go ahead and serve a plate. And just place some of those shrimp right on top of the noodles. And there you go. I sprinkled a little extra parsley flakes and red pepper flakes for him to taste. Let's go ahead and have him taste it and see how it came out.
Alright, let's see. It looks good. See if it tastes good. It's good.
You like it?
I like it. It's spicy.
I added extra spice for you.
Is this from you or is this from
I added extra spice for you.
For me? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is real good.
Yay, dinner's a success tonight.
It's real good.
Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night.